Want to write polished professional comments quickly on LinkedIn? The Composer feature on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra can help you do just that. No more staring at the keyboard trying to craft the perfect response. First, open the LinkedIn app and find a post you want to comment on. Type the text field to show up the keyboard. Tap the writing assist icon above the keyboard. Then select Composer. Type your main idea. Select comment as the format and professional as the tone. Now tap generate. Below you will see three options. Refresh to generate a new version of the comment, copy to copy the text to your clipboard, and insert to insert the comment directly into LinkedIn comments field. So if you are scrolling through LinkedIn and see an insightful post, Composer can quickly generate a professional comment so you can respond immediately and maintain a polished tone. With Composer on your Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can focus on your ideas while your phone handles the writing style, making professional interaction faster and easier. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.